very interesting come Sunday, this Sunday. But y'all know what today is. We had news yesterday about Venezuela. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll probably go in depth later on, maybe when I post. The next time I post. But earnings for this week. Earnings for this week. Applied Digital, Applied Blockchain is one I have on my watch list. Don't mind that talking in the background. Excuse that. We have what else do we have? WD-40 Company. If you know, you know. WD-40 Company. STZ. Hold on, matter of fact, I'm finna look these people up right now. STZ. Wow. STZ. I'm pretty don't they yeah, chips and all that other stuff. I just had to look them up right fast. But anyway, let's talk about news. Talk about news for this week. ISM Manufacturing PMI. What else do I see? What else do I see? Wednesday we have some news. But I see Friday NFP, non-farm payrolls, December, and unemployment rate. I feel like I'm missing something. S&P Global Services PMI. But right now, it's just it's a day trading market. It's a day trading market. Let's talk about why it's a day trading market. I'm not even gonna talk about the RSI right now. We're gonna talk about look at these last few candles. Well, this candle, I'm pretty sure I talked about this last week. We have been in range. We have been in the range from right here to right here for the past. I'm gonna just say this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a month and a week we have been in range. A month and a week we have been in range. Yes, we did push new all-time highs last week with this green candle. But that's all. That's all. We do have news. I want to see how market reacts to this news come tomorrow. Also, I feel like I'm missing something. Also, it just slipped my mind. But anyway, let's talk about spot. Let's go ahead and get into charts. We're going to get into charts, right? I still see divergence. And possibly we're going to get a drop soon. One of these days. I'm just going to be here for it. I'm going to add to my... I have a few stocks. 2, 4, 6. I have like 12 stocks I'm longing that I like long term. I could go in depth into that next time I post. But as of right now, I see divergence, boom. This RSI, boom. Wick off the 8 EMA, off the weekly. Red candle, weekly. What else can I say? We go to the daily. We're under the 8 again. We're not under the 21, but we're definitely under the 8 off the daily. You can see the divergence even better with this off the daily. You can see divergence better off the daily. But it's just a day trading market, bro. Like I said, just a day trading market. What do I see? 682 hold, 678 break, somewhere, but something like that, right? Something like I just can't put my finger on it. We just gotta see what the market gives us. This is it's weird. I ain't gonna say it's weird, but you just have to adjust to it. Like I'm scrolling down the watch list and I'm just like, wow. I just can't go pick stocks and just be like, oh, I like this stock because this and that. Like, y'all gonna see. But anyway, I just had to say that. But let's go to QQQ. Maybe I can talk about QQQ a little better. QQQ, right? QQQ is, I still believe, I'm looking at a double top. I don't know what y'all looking at. I'm looking at a double top. This is off the daily. I mean, we see divergence on QQQ as well. On tech. Even though SMH closed green. That's weird. SMH closed plus $13 on Friday. I'm pretty sure they pushed new all-time highs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they did. But anyway. QQQ, what's my levels on QQQ? 610 hold or break or 616 close above. Something like that, right? Well, I say 616 or 618 was my level. But that's all I see. We're under the 8 off the weekly. We did close below the 8 on the weekly. I mean, you can see it even more clear. Let me see if I can draw this trend line. Boom. From right here to right here. Boom. From boom to boom. What more can I say? This is, we just have to react to what the market gives us. How the market comes out, we just got to react to it. And with this news, it's very interesting. I don't know if this news is going to play like this Venezuela news. I wonder if it's going to play out like how it did when he struck, what country? Some country he struck towards like September, October them last few months. I forgot. It's some Middle Eastern country he struck. And the market didn't really react to it. So yeah, come Monday we'll see. Come Monday, either prices go up or I don't know. We'll have to see. But let's go into what's my next ticker. I'm sorry if it's just low energy today, but it's just like indecisive. Like even the fear and greed is in neutral right now. Fear and greed was just greed like a week ago. So yeah, AMD, right? I'm looking at AMD. AMD double bottom, boom, off this level. You can say 200. I'm gonna say 200. 198. I'm looking for a break. Well, you got the break. I'm looking for a retest of this level. 221. Two two one. Take profit into 230. Right. Let me go to the 4 hour. Straight like that. That's what I want to see. This could. I'm pretty sure I'll probably day trade this. If not, I'll probably just swing it for like 2 days or however long. Whenever they get that break and retest at this level. So we'll just have to see. Let me go to mark this out too. Boom. I am watching AMD. AMD for a watch. Boom. What else am I watching? VRT. Yes, I'm steady watching VRT, right? This is how it is because how market is moving right now. Well, why change my stocks, right? Boom. VRT has a good push. It finally got the good push I've been wanting for a minute, right? Now I'm looking for it to possibly break above 180, and I'm in. VRT 180. I say 182 close above. I'm in. Taking profit towards 200. I'll probably take profit before then. It depends on how the contracts are looking. But boom, you see, bull flag. Yeah, 182. Nah, I'm gonna keep what I say. 182, break above, and I'm in. Straight like that, double bottom. I mean, I already explained the stock come, boom, double bottom off this level, boom, boom. It held this level, and this level was a level that was broke. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a lot of reaction towards this level, even this candle right here, boom. But that's what I'm looking at. VRT, yeah. What else? VIX. I don't want to get too far. VIX is at 14. VIX is at 14. That's it. That's all. So VIX is at 14. I'm putting this in there because when market is doing what it's doing, I want to know what the VIX is doing. It plays off the market. It plays off spot. SPX, whatever. It's like the inverse. So as you can see, boom. Like, matter of fact, boom. Look at this. It's April. Everybody remember. Well, I definitely remember April. I'm so happy that I got into it when I did, because I got to experience this firsthand. April, boom. It shot up to, let's say it shot up to 60, right? VIX shot up to 60. And what was the market doing? For the people that don't know, what was the market doing? April, boom. This is what market did. Market went down to 481, and it fell from, wow, this is insane. This is a 20%er. This is like 20% out the daily. 27% from highs. 27% from highs, right? But that's why I'm putting the VIX in there. I'm getting better with the VIX, so, you know, shit like that. MRK, right? Break and retest. They already presented the break and retest. And off the daily, I'm looking for a close above 106. 106. I'm looking for 106, possibly 107 with this wick, but 106. 106 is what I'm looking for. It is a little over towards the overbought on the RSI. Above the 8 EMA, above the 21. I mean, we see the flip in the trend. And yeah, healthcare is popping. Financial, I'm getting more into financial stocks. What's financial? Hold on, financial stocks like, well, really the ETF, XLF. I'm buying shares of QQQM and XLV. I'm just say those three. But yeah, that's what I see. That's what I'm looking for. I just had to post this video because why not? But yeah, I'll be back here when I be back here. Inshallah. Straight like that. Click.